Jennifer Gruich, and I work for Southwest Airlines, and I supervise our corporate card and expense programs, which also includes the Oversight product. We've been using Oversight for a year and a half. So we have a one card program with our purchase card. So our T&E and purchasing is combined into one card, and we run all those transactions through the system. Before Oversight, we were doing a very manual audit. We were trying to pull in risky expense types, risky merchant category codes. It was basically a hit or miss where if we happened to find something, it was either because we luckily stumbled upon it or maybe somebody gave us some information. Now we're able to run all of our transactions through the system, have the system do the work for us, and then only let us focus on what we need to be looking at. It's been a huge time savings. One of our bigger wins is actually being able to have a great tool to be able to communicate with our employees and let them know when they're out of compliance and let them know whenever we need information back from them, and being able to track that in one system has been really invaluable. Really the greatest benefit is, as I said, being able to catch these things that we couldn't catch before, but being able to have good reporting to be able to show that to our upper leadership and let them know this is what's going on, this is who is going on with, has been really just amazing. Well, I can tell you off the bat in our first year, we were able to recover over $60,000 in duplicate payments. Within the first year. Last week, we actually implemented their prepayment audit for our duplicates, and our auditors we were laughing with our auditor because we literally, I think, worked maybe one or two, and it took about 10 minutes to kind of get used to it. And I said, okay, in 10 minutes, we just saved the company over $1,000. So that was really cool to be able to do that quickly. The Oversight team has been awesome. Going through implementation, they really held our hands, really did a lot of sessions with us to let us know kind of how to best use the system. Really calmed our nerves when we started seeing a lot of things that we were like, oh my goodness, this is a lot more than we thought, and helped us work through and refine a lot of things. If anybody out there is thinking about it or unsure, definitely just take a look at it. You'll be amazed.